Alright guys, this is my first tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be making a 3D tennis ball within 3ds Max. And if you think that it looks a bit different to your one, could be because I'm using 3ds Max 2010, whereas you might be using an earlier version. If so, don't worry about it. As long as it's, I think, 09 or 08, you should still be able to do this. I think any below that, I think it's pretty different, and it would be quite hard for you to follow this tutorial. I mean, I'm not absolutely sure, but I'm pretty sure about that. But yeah, if you're using 10, 09, 08 or whatever, you know, you should be fine with this. Yeah, right, first things first, throughout this whole tutorial we're going to be using a perspective view. So what I do is click on perspective and then hold down Alt, hit W, and then you zoom into perspective view, and we're probably going to stay like this throughout the whole thing. Right, so the first thing you want to do is click on create on the create tab, hit box, create a box. Doesn't matter it doesn't matter how big you do it there, because we're going to change it now. Right, the parameters are going to be 50 by 50 by 50, and the segment's going to be 2 by 2 by 2. Okay. Right, next thing. Oh, and if you're wondering how I got these lines, like the edge lines on it, kind of thing, I think it's called faced edges or something. Just hit F4 and it will toggle them on and off. Have them on throughout this tutorial, as it'll be a lot, like, you know, you need them on basically. Right. Next thing you want to do is go to modify. The modifier modifiers in toolbar. Sorry. And you want to go to parametric deformers, and you want to find spherify. There it is, spherify. And then there's your tennis ball. You know, show this to anyone, and trust me, mate, they'll think it's amazing. Trust me, people. You know what I mean? Like, that is just the greatest tennis ball there is. Do you know what I mean? That is awesome, innit? That is top notch, mate. No, I'm kidding with you lot, man. No, there's still a lot more to go yet. Right. So next thing you want to do is right, hit sorry, people. Yeah, right. Right click on the object, convert to an editable poly, and that will allow you to you know, modify all the vertexes and edges and all that kind of stuff, polygons and that. Right, so for now we're going to want vertexes, so click on this little vertex icon here, and then we're going to want to modify this vertex and this vertex. Right, and then what we're going to do is go on the scale there, this little box up here, and we're going to scale it in using the x-axis, okay? This one here, the little red one. And whilst we're doing that, you're going to want to watch this little box down here with the X on it, okay? This little box down here. And the reason for that is because when I drag it in, we want it to go to, if you watch that little box, we want it to be at 60, okay? So there we go, I'm at 60, I'm going to let go, okay? Right, now if we change our view round here, then we're going to pick this one, hold down control, this one, and then this time we're going to bring it in using the Z axis, okay? And so you want to watch this little box down here with a Z on it, and we want it to be at 60 as well, okay? So there we go, I'm at 60, I'm going to let go. Go back to this view here. By clicking a little home button there if you can't see it. Right, then what we're going to want to do is get off vertexes, so deselect vertexes by clicking back on it, and then go on edge, and then now we're going to modify the edges, right? So hold down control, click, get that one, that one, that one, and just get a view right. This one here, this one, this one, this one here, this one, this one. Right, I'm gonna stop saying this one, okay? You can see what I'm doing, so just follow along with it. Right, and then as we get to here, we're gonna bring it back in, okay? By selecting them two. We're not gonna touch this bit here, okay? So basically, I've just gone round through the middle, but not touch this end here. Right, once you've got all them lots selected, we are then going to right click on the object, find chamfer, there we go, there it is. Click the little box next to it, don't click on chamfer, okay? That'll allow us to change the properties and that. Right, it's set to 1, so you want to apply that, and there you go, it's made another one there. Then we want to highlight that and change it to 0.25 and hit OK, and then you got that. Alright, right, next thing is to get off edge face, get off the edges, and then what we're going to do is go to modifiers, and we're going to go to subdivision surfaces, and then we're going to go on mesh smooth, okay? Click that. There you go, it's starting to look a little better. But then we're going to go here to the side, iterations, and we're going to change it up to 2, okay? It looks even better now, do you know what I mean? It's times it by 2, it's done it twice, you get me? Anyway, then we're going to go to modifiers again, parametric deformers, and we're going to go to spherify, which we've done in the beginning. See, now it's starting to look good, you know what I mean? Right, and then we're going to right click on it, convert to editable poly again, and there you go, you know what I mean? It's starting to look good, man, it's starting to look good. Right, now, if I just change my view a little bit, next thing we want to do is get our edges again, so click on edges, zoom in. Oh, too much. Right, zoom in. Right, now we want these edges, okay? That one, that one, that one there, that one, that one, that one, that one there, and that one. That should be around 7, I think. Hold on. 3. Okay, no, it's a few more than 7, but anyway, I wasn't too sure. I was just guessing, you know what I mean? But anyway, then what we're going to do is we could then select the edges of here, 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 you know, all the way around what we've already done, right? But an easier way, right? Hit loop, bang, there we go, man, all the way around, piece of piss, you know what I mean? Right, then what we're going to do is hold down control and then hit polygon. Right, and then we got that, which is wrong. Okay, hold on a minute, people. Just okay, I don't know what's gone wrong here. Why is it? Right, hold on. Undo that. Undo again. Undo again. Oh shit! Actually, redo, 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 redo. Right, and then go back onto edges again, not the what do you call it, polygons. Now for some reason it's chosen these ones as well, which we don't want. We just want these ones in here. Don't know why it's done it, don't ask me, don't fucking know. So what we're gonna want to do is deselect everything, then hit edges again, then zoom in, then just pick them edges again like we did before, but this time it shouldn't pick them outside ones. It's because I've got to deselect it first. Do you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying, don't you, people? Right, now I want to loop just as we did before, except now we've just got that. Right, remember, hold control, hit polygons, there we go, that's what we want, okay, that's what we want. Right, now what we want to do is right click, find bevel, there it is, hit the little box by the side of it,